Good evening everyone, I am Harshit, your tech host, and welcome to the Daily Tech News Bulletin brought to you by IT Voice. In today's news, we will be covering news about NASA introduces Space Security Best Practices Guide, WhatsApp Web introduces status feature for photo and video updates inspired by stories, trend iQOO 12 Qualcomm powered flagship phone, Apple Arcade to unveil 3 new games, Apple's Vision Pro headset anticipated for January-February release priced at $3,499, Go Login introduces cloud-based privacy browser feature, Apple introduces personal voice feature in iOS 17 and more. To skip to any particular news story, use the chapters below and don't forget to subscribe to IT Voice and stay up to date on all the latest tech news. NASA unveils its inaugural Space Security Best Practices Guide to bolster security measures against potential hacks for space missions. Designed for public and private space companies, the guide aims to elevate security and reliability within the space exploration sector. The guide extends its benefit to NASA's global partners, fostering a united approach to space security amidst the burgeoning space development landscape. Aligned with NASA's Space System Protection Standard, the guide lays out foundational cybersecurity principles tailored for space systems. The document offers adaptive best practices addressing emerging cybersecurity challenges and promoting the adoption of safety measures. NASA remains committed to refining the guide, collecting invaluable feedback from the space community for incorporation in subsequent versions. Next, we have WhatsApp Web users will soon have a status feature enabling them to share photos, videos, or text with friends. This feature, similar to Stories, lets users share updates through photos and videos, and a green ring appears on their display picture once shared. Beta testing for the WhatsApp Web version of the feature is currently underway. Status is located at the top left of the WhatsApp Web interface, positioned between communities and channels. Users can access the feature by clicking on the plus icon in the status tab or tapping the same icon next to their profile picture. Meta, inspired by the success of Stories, is extending the feature to other apps such as Facebook and WhatsApp. WhatsApp is experimenting with a new feature allowing users to share music during video calls, similar to Apple's SharePlay feature. iQOO 12 debuts in India featuring Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 platform, priced competitively with impressive storage options. Boasting a triple camera setup, the device delivers stunning photography capabilities across varied lighting conditions. The 6.78-inch LTPO AMOLED display offers vibrant visuals complemented by impressive brightness levels suitable for diverse usage scenarios. Despite hardware strengths, the FunTouch OS 14 exhibits room for refinement, emphasizing user interface and minimalism. Beyond app performance, the processor optimizes photo processing and AI functionalities, ensuring a seamless user experience. With its robust build, camera capabilities, and consistent performance, the iQOO 12 positions itself as a compelling choice for tech enthusiasts. Apple Arcade announces the launch of 3 captivating games in January 2024, enriching its expensive gaming library. The releases encompass diverse genres including Tamagotchi Adventure Kingdom, Corn Sweeper, and Blackjack, catering to varied gaming preferences. Games like Tamagotchi Adventure Kingdom immerse players in engaging narratives, offering rich character interactions and quest-driven gameplay. From whimsical reimaginings to classic card games, the titles promise a diverse gaming experience appealing to a broad audience. Apple Arcade celebrates its success with top games of 2023, reinforcing its commitment to curate quality gaming content for users. As 2024 unfolds, Apple Arcade continues to innovate, introducing fresh titles and enhancing its gaming ecosystem for enthusiasts globally. Apple analyst Ming-Chi Kuo predicts the Vision Pro headset will hit Stories by the end of January or early February. The mixed reality headset is slated for an early 2024 launch, though an official release date is yet to be disclosed by Apple. Kuo suggests Apple plans to ship 5,000 units of the Vision Pro in 2024, with initial shipments expected in the first week of January. Bloomberg's Mark Gurman aligns with this timeline, hinting at a potential February launch for the Vision Pro headset. Kuo emphasizes the significance of the Vision Pro as Apple's most important product for 2024, anticipating positive user feedback to establish it as a consumer electronics standout. The Vision Pro will be priced at $3,499 and will have an initial exclusivity to the United States upon its retail availability. Further details about the Vision Pro are expected to unfold throughout 2024, and an official announcement from Apple may be imminent if a launch is confirmed. Next up, we have GoLogin unveils a groundbreaking cloud-based feature offering marketers and agencies an isolated browser environment within AWS-powered servers. The technology empowers users to circumvent geographical restrictions, optimizing workflow efficiency across global platforms. Leveraging browser fingerprinting technology, GoLogin ensures secure interaction, mimicking real device while protecting user data. GoLogin solution champion cost-effective browsing, eliminating common virtual machine limitations like lag and GPU constraints. Adhering to legal standard, GoLogin browser fingerprinting serves anti-fraud measure, ensuring ethical user tracking practices. With thousands of global business clients, GoLogin cloud browsing technology set a new standard in secure, efficient online interaction. At last, Apple debuts the personal voice feature in iOS 17, iPadOS 17 and macOS Sonoma, enabling users to create synthesized voices reflecting their unique tones. The tool seamlessly integrates into device settings, guiding users through a secure voice recording process overnight while connected to Wi-Fi. Users possess full control managing their synthesized voice storage, deletion, and usage across digital platforms. The feature synergies with live speech functionality, enhancing digital interactions through personalized voice output. Emphasizing user privacy, the synthesized voice data remain exclusively stored on devices, safeguarding against external data breaches. Apple's commitment to personalization and user experience shine through, offering a novel tool to elevate digital interactions and accessibility. This is Harshit signing off. Stay tuned and subscribe to IT Voice for the latest tech news.